Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm Felix.
And I'm Mia. Today we're talking about polite complaints.
Which sounds impossible, like a quiet alarm clock.
It is possible, and it is useful.
Good, because whenever I complain in English, I either sound too angry or like I am apologizing to the furniture.
That is actually a very common problem.
The furniture accepts my apology, by the way.
I'm glad. But today we are talking to people, not chairs.
Tough crowd.
If English feels fast today, stay with the sound. It's not about understanding right away. It's about staying with the sound.
I like that, especially for complaints, because people get nervous.
Exactly. When something goes wrong, many learners know the problem, but they do not know how to say it calmly.
So they say, "This is bad. I am sad. Please fix."
Clear, but a little dramatic.
That was my customer service poem.
Today, we will make it sound natural and polite.
Our 3 anchor phrases are,
I'm not happy with,
"Could you look into this?"
and is there anything you can do?
Nice. 3 phrases, not a 12-page complaint letter.
Right. The goal is not to win a fight.
The goal is to get help.
Exactly. Calm voice, clear problem, reasonable request.
Calm voice, clear problem, reasonable request. I am writing that on my emotional coffee cup.
Good. Before we jump in, let's make one thing clear.
I am ready.
A polite complaint is not weak.
Oh, I like that.
It means you can say what is wrong without attacking the other person.
So I can be firm but not scary.
Yes, firm means clear and serious.
Firm, like a good chair.
There you go with the furniture again.
The chair is part of my emotional support team.
Let's start with the first phrase. I'm not happy with... First phrase. I'm not happy with...
I'm not happy with.
This is a polite way to introduce a problem.
Better than, "This is terrible and I demand justice."
Much better.
Good. My dramatic customer is quietly leaving the room.
You can say, I'm not happy with the service.
I'm not happy with the service.
Or, I'm not happy with the quality.
Quality means how good something is, right?
Exactly. The quality of a product, a meal, a hotel room, or even an app.
I am not happy with the quality of my alarm clock.
That may be user error.
Objection.
Noted.
So if I order a coffee and it is cold, I can say, I'm not happy with this coffee.
You can, but I would make it a little more specific.
Specific. There is our first useful word.
Specific means clear and exact.
Not just bad.
Right. You could say, I'm not happy with this coffee. It's cold.
Better. Problem identified.
Exactly. If you only say, I'm not happy, the other person may not know what to fix.
And then, everyone just stands there with emotional coffee.
Nobody wants that.
What about, I don't like this?
It is understandable, but it can sound personal or too direct.
Like I am judging the coffee's personality.
Yes, I'm not happy with sounds a little more professional.
Professional disappointment.
Kind of. Let's try a few examples.
Ready.
I'm not happy with the room. It hasn't been cleaned.
Hotel complaint. Painful, but useful.
I'm not happy with the delivery. It arrived 2 days late.
Delivery means something sent to you, like food or a package.
Good. And I'm not happy with the bill. There is an extra charge.
Extra charge means extra money added.
Exactly.
I love when English teaches me how to protect my wallet.
That is a very real skill.
Now, can I say I'm not happy with you?
You can, but be careful. That sounds personal.
So maybe not to a waiter.
Definitely not to a waiter.
Good. I will not walk into a cafe and say, I'm not happy with you, Daniel.
Please don't. Say the problem, not the attack.
Say the problem, not the attack.
Exactly. Now, phrase 2. Could you look into this?
Could you look into this?
Look into means investigate or check carefully.
Investigate. Like a tiny detective with a receipt.
Yes, a receipt detective.
I was born for this role.
If there is a problem, you can say, "Could you look into this?"
So I am not saying, fix it now.
Right, you are asking them to check the problem.
Softer. More polite.
And very useful in customer service, work, hotels, shopping, and online orders.
Give me a scene.
Your card was charged twice.
Oof.
You can say, "I think I was charged twice. Could you look into this?"
Charged means asked to pay money.
Exactly. If your card was charged twice, money was taken or requested 2 times.
My wallet just got nervous.
Another example. Your food is missing an item.
A tragic story.
You can say, "I ordered fries, but they aren't here. Could you look into this?"
Direct but calm.
Yes. And if you are at work, you might say, "The file won't open. Could you look into this?"
So this phrase is not only for angry coffee.
Correct. It is useful anywhere something needs checking.
I like it. It gives the other person a job without sounding bossy.
Exactly. Now, phrase 3. Is there anything you can do?
Is there anything you can do?
This is a polite way to ask for help or a solution.
Not give me free things.
No.
Sad, but fair.
You can say it when you want a refund, a replacement, a discount, or another option.
Quick pause. Refund means I get my money back.
Yes. Replacement means they give you a new one instead.
And discount means the price becomes lower.
Exactly.
Look at us, saving money with vocabulary.
Let's use it politely. The shirt has a small tear. Is there anything you can do?
Tear means a rip in the fabric.
Yes, a small damaged part.
The shirt has a small tear. Is there anything you can do?
Good. Another one. My order arrived late. Is there anything you can do?
That sounds calm.
It is. You are not demanding one exact solution.
You are opening the door.
Right. And the person might say, "We can offer a refund," or "We can send a replacement."
Beautiful. The door has snacks behind it.
Maybe.
Now, can this sound weak?
Not if your voice is calm and steady. The words are polite, but the message is still clear.
So I do not need to bark.
Please do not bark at customer service.
Noted.
Let's hear a cafe scene.
Finally, my coffee has been waiting for character development.
I will be the cafe staff. You are the customer.
A calm customer.
We'll see.
Hi, sorry. I think there may be a problem with my drink.
Sure. What's wrong?
I ordered an iced latte, but this one is hot.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
No worries. I'm not happy with the order because it is different from what I asked for.
That's fair. Let me check your receipt.
Sure. Here you go.
You're right. It says iced latte.
Could you look into this?
Of course. We can remake it for you.
Great, thank you.
Would you like to keep the hot one too?
That is very kind. Is there anything you can do about my emotional confusion?
We do not offer refunds for emotional confusion.
Understandable.
But we can fix the coffee.
Perfect. Coffee first, feelings later.
That scene was actually pretty good.
Thank you. I restrained the dramatic customer.
You did. Notice the structure.
Problem. Phrase. Request.
Yes. First, you describe the problem.
I ordered an iced latte, but this one is hot.
Then you used a polite complaint.
I'm not happy with the order.
And then you asked for action.
Could you look into this?
Good. The final phrase, "Is there anything you can do?" is useful when you do not know what solution is possible.
So it is like saying, please help me find a reasonable next step.
Exactly. Now let's talk about common mistakes.
I feel personally invited.
Mistake 1, making the complaint too emotional.
Like, this coffee destroyed my morning and possibly my future.
Exactly like that.
I may have said that once.
Use fewer emotions. More facts.
Fewer emotions. More facts.
Instead of, This is terrible. Say, I'm not happy with this. It arrived damaged.
Damaged means broken or hurt in some way.
Yes, a damaged package, a damaged phone, a damaged chair.
Again with the chairs.
You started it.
Fair.
Mistake 2. Saying, I want you to, too strongly.
I want you to fix this immediately.
That can sound demanding.
Demanding means pushing too hard.
Yes, it can sound like an order.
Better.
Could you look into this? Or is there anything you can do?
Softer, but still clear.
Exactly.
Mistake 3.
Apologizing too much before you complain.
Oh no, that's me.
You might say, I'm so sorry. Sorry to bother you. I'm sorry. Maybe it's my fault.
I have spiritually sent that email.
You can be polite without shrinking.
Shrinking means making yourself smaller?
Yes. Here it means acting like your problem does not matter.
That is useful.
Try this. Sorry, I think there may be a problem with my order.
1 sorry, not 7.
Exactly. Then give the problem clearly.
I ordered a large, but this is a small.
Good.
I am not happy with this tragic cup size.
Maybe remove tragic.
Fine. I'm not happy with this order. I asked for a large.
Much better.
It hurts less, but it works more.
That is the whole point.
Can we do another scene? Maybe online shopping?
Sure. You bought headphones online.
They arrive broken.
Go.
Hi, I received my headphones today, but one side doesn't work.
Good.
I'm not happy with the quality.
Nice.
Could you look into this?
Good.
Is there anything you can do?
Very good. You could also add, could I get a replacement?
Could I get a replacement?
Natural and direct.
Replacement means a new item instead of the broken one.
Exactly.
What if they cannot replace it?
Then you can ask, could I get a refund?
Refund. Money comes home.
Yes, money returns from its little adventure.
That was beautiful.
Thank you.
Now, what about a restaurant complaint?
Keep it calm and specific.
I'm not happy with this soup. It is cold.
Good.
Could you look into this?
Good.
Is there anything you can do?
Perfect.
I feel powerful, but politely powerful.
That's the goal.
Polite power.
Exactly.
I should put that on a mug.
Please don't.
Too late. Emotionally.
Let's do shadowing practice.
Time to sound calm, everyone.
Repeat after Felix.
I'm not happy with this.
Again, a little slower.
I'm not happy with this.
Now add the reason.
I'm not happy with this. It arrived damaged.
Good. Now phrase 2.
Could you look into this?
Again, friendly but serious.
Could you look into this?
Nice. Now phrase 3.
Is there anything you can do?
Again, keep your voice calm.
Is there anything you can do?
Now let's connect them.
I'm not happy with this order.
Pause.
Could you look into this?
Pause.
Is there anything you can do?
Great. That is a complete polite complaint.
I sound almost mature.
Almost.
Tiny progress.
Let's recap today's 3 anchor phrases.
Number 1. I'm not happy with.
Use it to introduce the problem politely.
Number 2. Could you look into this?
Use it to ask someone to check the problem.
Number 3. Is there anything you can do?
Use it when you want help, but you are open to different solutions.
And today's simple structure is:
Say the problem.
use a calm phrase.
Ask for a reasonable action.
Problem, calm phrase, action.
Exactly.
Practice the English, not the behavior. Do not complain for fun.
Please don't. But if something really goes wrong, you now have better words.
Calm words, clear problem, better chance of getting help.
Not understanding is not the end. Keep listening and the meaning will come.
See you next time.
Hopefully with the correct coffee.
I will look into this.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.